Yeah.
Well, I'm now back with Robin again.
Right, I'll let you in here to do your thing.
Yeah, you can check it out and see what this thing does. But I got this View fan. It was new in box. There's the box.
Okay.
Vintage, but new in box. Here's the light. I put a CFL in it. Okay. But it's a little 42-inch. It's perfect for this room here. I just love how this thing looks.
Yep, I do too.
Okay. So, I just turn this one light off. A little bit more hummy, but this is not a bedroom. This is...
What's hummy?
The fan.
Oh, I don't even hear it.
Well...
Look at that. Yeah, that would be nothing.
And then... This is medium. It has a faster low.
Okay.
That's medium.
Did you see your fan, sweetie? Okay.
And then...
That's
high.
high. Okay.
There. That's high. This thing moves a lot of air.
Yeah.
For what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing is flying.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah. This one is what's called a spinner motor because the blades go right onto the motor housing, which actually turns, versus the other one, or the den, which I put on a flywheel that's set screwed onto a spindle. But this is still a good fan here. And what I also do for the viewers in this video is spin down.
Okay. Yep, spin it down.
Yeah, I do what's called spin down from high. But it does tell me how good the bearings are. So.
Yep, that's pretty quiet. I don't hear anything.
Yeah, it is quiet, but this room is more of the music, so it's not as...
it's not going to be,
not as big of a deal. Well, I can hear the humming, you know, when it's on low, like if I go up to it, but it's minimal. You ain't gonna hear it when
Nobody's gonna hit their heads.
Nah.
Nobody tall comes in here.
Yeah.
You won't hit
I
your
mean,
head.
I'm right here. Look at, I'm still under it.
I don't want to hit my head.
You're not going to hit your head.
Yeah.
Yep.
This room was clean at one time.
Yeah.
Now I got it a mess.
Yeah. Well, that is all I have for this View fan here. And I'll be back doing some more fan stuff, probably at my shop again, but... Or fan hunting, but other than that, thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you later.